Hey guys, a couple of weeks ago made a video where I just opened up and just showed how sturdy, kind of just my initial thoughts of my Blackstone 2250 adventure ready griddle. And mine has the burner and the griddle. I used it camping a few weeks ago and found it to be delightfully simple. So real quick, we're just gonna go over just the process to get ready to cook on, and just show how quick and easy cleanup is, and then to be able to store it away. I already have our propane bottle hooked up. We'll go through the lighting process and get to cooking here. Save that for later for the cleanup process. There's a really good temperature control. Now, you can see that the little feet are adjustable, and in my first video I talked about, you want to set that up, you want to turn them, loosen them off about 1/4 of an inch or so. One thing that is imperative though is you want to make sure that you're fairly level, or if anything tilted back, make sure that you're not tilted back too far this way toward the back, because if you're cooking eggs or anything like that, you will literally they'll just slide right back in here to the little grease catcher. 3-quart saucepan. Seems to be a little bit of a collection area right here for some grease. All right. Most of that grease up out of the way. Turn that down to a simmer. Now we're going to put these buns on here and give them a little toast. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Let that cool off, and then we'll wipe it down. So we're about done. Hey guys, as I said, the cooking is extremely easy. Got both options here to be able to use a saucepan to make your coffee, or in this case we made some corn. It's super easy to use. Only drawbacks I can see is it's just a lot of, you get a little splashback that comes back here, so over time it's going to get kind of grimy. Little catch pan works exactly as it should. About you, but I'm getting kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go get one other thing going in the microwave on the inside, and we'll come back with a final cleanup, and then just to be able to pack it away, and I'll just show you how easy that is. All right, so I'm just gonna empty this out back here in the backyard on the ground somewhere, and we're just gonna use just some mild detergent to clean all this stuff up. That's did a pretty good job of already getting that clean just by using that paper towel I had. But like I said, if you needed to take it off and really put a good clean into it, you could certainly do that. And then when that griddle pan cools off just a little bit more, we can take it off, and then we'll store our regulator. It's still a little bit warm. Unlock the pin for that. All right. Boom. All right. And all right, so as you can see, that was super easy, the cleanup process. I mean, it's ready now to just fold up, put back in the vehicle. That's it, and it's a self-contained unit. The only thing you're gonna have to have is a fuel source. Takedown is just as easy as the get it ready. So it's just the opposite of that. Just basically start here, use a little pin on the bottom to twist this little lock out of the way, take the griddle off, you get your regulator out, and you're ready to cook. I mean, it's just that fast. So I'm really digging this. It's really becoming a, I mean, I'll use it. I'm here at the house today. We used it when we were camping. We've made some hot dogs on it, grilled eggs. It is like super, super easy to cook eggs on. I really like it. Like I said, the only thing is make sure that you're nice and level. Make sure that your front's not tilted to the back, because if you are gonna lose. There'll be a couple of eggs that will go into your grease catcher. I promise, it happened to me. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Again, thanks for all the support. We just hit 3,000 subscribers. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment if this is something that you thought about using in your cooking arsenal, and let me know if you got any questions or anything like that. Thank you so much. See you later.